Mike Bloomberg will take the stage tonight in his first Democratic presidential debate. The spotlight will be on his $5 trillion tax plan and how his message has changed over the years. And Robert Frank joins us now with a little bit more on all of it. Hey.
Yeah, good morning, Andrew. Well, 2 years ago, Mike Bloomberg took to the stage at an IMF meeting and warned of the dangers of taxing the rich.
You can take money from the rich and move it over to the poor. If you do it too much, then the rich stop producing and everybody loses.
Well, now that he's running for the Democratic nomination, Bloomberg has called for higher taxes on the wealthy and more help for those at the bottom. His latest is the financial transactions tax, which he announced yesterday and would impose a 0.1% tax on any sale of stocks, bonds, or derivatives. It would raise between $700 and $800 billion over 10 years. That's on top of the more than $5 trillion in new taxes he's proposed to pay for infrastructure, health care, and education programs. Now, he would raise the top tax rate, according to his plan, from 37 to 44.6%. He would raise the corporate tax rate from 21 to 28%. Capital gains would be taxed the same as ordinary income for those making more than $1 million a year. Bloomberg says, fixing inequality is my priority, and that the rewards of the economy are too far concentrated at the top, among billionaires specifically. He said the Tax Foundation says Bloomberg's plans would increase the tax burden on saving, investing, and working in the U.S. while reducing global competitiveness in the U.S. economy.
So, question for you. I've read some news that suggests that his plan is actually more aggressive than Elizabeth Warren, more aggressive than Bernie Sanders, actually.
No.
In terms of the ultimate numbers, in terms of the ultimate money that would get raised.
Not even close.
Not even close.
Not even close. I mean, Warren is something like 20 to 30 trillion compared to 5 trillion. And Sanders, just the health care part, is 30 trillion. Now, Biden is 3, so he's between Biden and Warren is kind of where he is on the spectrum, but nowhere close to
the rest of it.